Welcome again to another video of Radio Hispana. I'm Angel and today I'm going to introduce you to the orthography rules. As I consider this a very big part of understanding Spanish, I wanted to share with you guys these few rules that everyone should follow when writing or reading Spanish. But you may be wondering, don't I just need to know how to speak it so I can communicate with other people? Yes, you only need to speak it, but if you, from a professional perspective, you should always know how to write. Plus, it doesn't make you look like an idiot when you're trying to read or write something. Like, it's good for you. I know I'm not doing this so you can suffer just like I did when I was a kid. Some of you have told me that when you were kids, your teachers always wanted to taught you how to break words down into syllables. So the thing, sadly, this is not the only use for breaking words down in Spanish. In Spanish, we can classify words according to the position of what we call sílaba tónica, or the strong syllable, helping us when and where to put the accent. Even some accents make a difference when trying to break words down. But don't worry, you don't have to worry about this right now. Everything will be explained in this new series of orthography in Radio Hispana. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our new content.